In this movie, we're going to look at how to use the data type of a list. So I've got a new Scratch project here. I'm going to give it a name using a list. I'm going to save it so I know I don't lose anything in case things go wrong. Now, we've looked at making a variable. We're going to make a different type of variable, a list variable, and I'm going to call it friends. I'm going to make a list of my friends. Okay, so here we go. My best friend is Joe. And then I've got Zishan, Stuart, sorry. Stuart, and Mayan. I've got lots of other friends, but I'll just leave it at those four, honestly, for the moment. So I've got 4 friends in my list. Now I'm going to make the cat say all of my friends one after the other. So I'm going to start the event. I'm going to control it with the space bar. So when I press the space bar, the program's going to run. Now I could say, let's see, I could say in the look section, say data, and I could say my friends. So here we go. I'm going to run this. And there you go, it said all my friends in one lump. But I want it to say it one friend at a time. So I am going to create a repeat, and I want it to repeat for the length of friends. So here we go, length of friends. Repeat the length of friends. And hold on, I'm going to create another variable here as a counter, so it can, you can see these numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need it to count those numbers, so I'm going to create a counter, and I'm going to set the counter to, what's the first one in the list? 1. When the program starts, set the counter to 1. Repeat for the length of the list of friends, and I am going to say, and in here, down here, item 1 of friends for 2 seconds. Now I don't want to keep saying Joe, 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 so I am going to stick in there the counter. So counter is set to 1 on the first time round. Then I'm going to change the counter by 1. So once goes through here, counter 1, say Joe, change counter by 1, so counter equals 2. Goes through a second time, say counter 2, which is Zishan, changes counter to 3, goes around again, counter 3 item, say counter 3 Stuart, Hermione. Okay, now fingers crossed. Well, let's make this faster. Let's reduce that time there. Let's see if this works. Press the spacebar. Joe, Zishan, Stuart, Hermione. Yes, I've successfully used a list.